Baby Cübes are 100% certified organic, made with only fruit and veg, a blend of frozen goodness made into healthy, natural cubes that are nutritious. Check out our Baby Cübes recipes. Today we're making cheeseburgers for our little ones. Hi guys, I'm Caris from Lickalix and Baby Cübes. So we have got 1 kilo of organic minced beef, and here are all our other ingredients that we'll use today. So I make these in big batches. The kilo of minced beef will make about 16 quite large burgers or about 32 smaller ones for younger babies. So I make these and I make them raw, I don't cook them. I then freeze them individually in the freezer, and when they're all frozen, then I put them in a bag or Tupperware, and they are so simple. You just then defrost and cook when you need. So we serve these with a carb like some rice or some potatoes, and also our baby cubes as the vegetable on the side. So we've got 2 different baby cubes that these go with, and they all taste delicious. We've got our organic green ones, which has got organic broccoli, peas and spinach, and we've got our organic orange ones, which have got organic carrot, butternut squash and sweet potato. It means you take the cheeseburger out of the freezer, you defrost that. Whilst you're cooking it, you defrost your baby cubes and heat them up, and voila, you've got a meal. So these burgers are great on the go. I cook them in the morning, put them in Tupperware, and I've got lunch straight away. And also I served them at Rocco's last birthday party, and they went down a real hit with all of the kids, whatever age. So here we go. Make them up, put them on your greased tray, and you put them in the freezer. You can see these ones are quite big, but my son likes to eat quite a lot. Okay, let's go over and cook one. So make sure you cook on both sides evenly and quite a low heat, medium heat. And then what I like to do is actually butterfly the beef burger, because then it cooks through more evenly, quicker, and it cools down quicker for your little ones as well. Like I said, these were a real hit with Rocco and all of his friends, and it's a really quick, super easy meal, and you can change it up and serve with different vegetables, different baby cubes and different carbohydrates, so you've got a balanced meal. And there you go, voila! Enjoy guys! Guys, did you like this video? Check out our other healthy and delicious recipes made with our baby cubes. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or recommendations, please write in the comments section below. Follow us on our social media. Bye!